Hello, children! Today we're going to learn about living and non-living things. What are living and non-living things? Living things can move, grow, and reproduce. Non-living things are objects that do not have life. Characteristics of living things. First, movement. Living things can move on their own. Next is growth. Growth. Living things can get bigger and change as they grow. Reproduction. Living things can make more living things of the same kind. Needs of living things. Food. Living things need to eat to get energy. Water. Living things need water to survive. Air. Living things breathe in air to get the oxygen they need. Examples of living things. People, animals, and plants are examples of living things. Living things need certain things to survive, such as food, water, and air. Characteristics of non-living things. First is inanimate, and next is no reproduction. Inanimate, non-living things do not move or grow on their own. No reproduction means non-living things cannot make more of themselves. Examples of non-living things. Non-living things include rocks, water, air, books, toys, and machines. They do not have life, cannot grow, produce, or respond to stimuli. Remember, living things are alive, can grow, move, and reproduce, while non-living things are subjects or objects that do not possess this characteristic. Interactions between living and non-living things can be diverse and play important roles in their survival, protection, and daily activities. Look around your environment, make a list of living and non-living things. Thank you. We hope you learned something new today.